Hello, do you want to change your page to a landscape in Canva? Don't worry, I will show you. But first, don't forget that you can find free coding projects in darkdiary.com like JavaScript, Python, Java, and more. Okay, so let's go to Canva. This is our page, and we want to make it landscape, as we said. So go to resize, then custom size, and then choose PX right here. 1000, and you can, by the way, when you write the width, they will give you the size or the custom size you want. So if you want it portrait, if you want it landscape, if you want it square, and then you can choose, and then they will give you the right height or the best height for you. And then just to copy and resize, they will give you another copy just to make a copy of this and of the other one too. So let's open it. And as you can see here, it turned out to a landscape. Of course, some stuff, because of this frame or of this template, that's why it just got like that. But you can, if your template is better than this one, it will be, of course, better and good, and you can just customize it here. Alright, okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget again that you can find free coding projects in darkdiary.com. Bye bye.